Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ugo, and I am here today with another amazing video. And I've been MIA for a while, but my setup is on point. I am lit. Well, I'm just back. So today I will be reviewing the Beauty by AD powders. I've already brought the powders out, but I just want to show you what the logo is like. There we go. So Beauty by AD has come out with 4 different shades of powders, which are amber, tawny, lucent, and hold on, I know this is fast. Beige. We have amber, which is the yellow shade. We have tawny, which is for medium to deep skin tones, and we have beige, which is for deeper skin tones. So this is more like a demo because I am a working makeup artist, so I use this product on my clients every day. I have replaced the powders in my bag with this powders, and I have just the only powder that is there is Laura Mercier, which you know, but like I really don't use lucent powders like that, like translucent. I try to use like powders that have color in them because I'm always trying to bring out one for my clients. So yeah, that's that. But this is what the packaging of the powder looks like. I cannot talk today. It comes like this. This is what it comes like, and it is sealed, and then you have the name underneath. You have the name underneath here, right here. You can see that, and then they have like the whole write-up of what the powders are about and all that. So yeah, so basically you get 18 grams, and this lasts you for 12 months. After 12 months it will expire. Guys, you see this thing? You don't know when your makeup expires. When you see this thing, right, where the month they write like 12 months with the cap, that is when the makeup expires. Throw it away. It has done its due diligence. It has lasted. It's fine. All right, good. So I have done my brows off camera already. The story behind these brows, because I know it doesn't look like what I would normally do, I went to Jane's studio to get my brows done, like carve them up and make them look nice, because of recent my hand has been shaking anytime I do it myself. So I went to Jane's studio and she hijacked me. She used me to do a mini tutorial for Instagram, filled in the brows, did them. I'm just like and then I didn't have to pay. So you're saying, oh, my brows look a bit different today. It's because they were done by Flawless Face by Jane, which you all know. So guys, I forgot to mention that I would also be reviewing the Beauty by AD lip glosses. This came out a while back before the powders, but I've not reviewed them, so I'm like, why not just review both of them in this video? And I've also been using them, so it's not like really a review, it's a demo. So she came out with 2 shades, and she came out with Glim, which has like a peachy undertone, and this is the Glint gloss. This is like a clear white, but if you want to make your lips look plump, that's the only time I use clear white. You want to make them look plump, really natural, they look, and you don't just want any of that drama. Yes. So my face is primed, and you know me, I'm not really oily everywhere else but my nose. I need to, prime my nose. So for that, I'm just going to use my Becca Cosmetics primer and just prime my nose because, So I'm going to do my foundation and my concealer on camera because I want to show you how the powders set both my concealer and my foundation, because I also use them as face powders. So yes, that is why I am going to be doing all the steps. Normally I would have skipped straight to reviewing the product, but I want to just show you guys all the steps so you can see how it sets my face. So I always tell you guys, I like my skin to look like really yellow, so I'm going to be mixing my Mary Kay foundation, which is like my yellow pigment, with my Milani 2-in-1 foundation plus concealer in amber. So I'm just gonna pump. Where's my plate? Where is my shit? I hate when I sit down and I think I've set everything. There. Don't mind me. Okay, so to apply my foundation, I'm just gonna use my beauty blender and blend away. Love it. And by the way, I'm using the new beauty blender. Like guys, if I have forgotten how to do makeup, don't blame me. I have not done makeup in so long. This is my problem with doing brows before. How do you guys... I'm gonna destroy these brows. Okay, so next for concealers today, I'm going to be using the Zaron concealer. This concealer is dry fast, so I'm gonna just do my hair first and then... Okay, so concealer is done, and now we're going to go into the star of the show. Like I said, she came out with 4 shades, which are Lucent, Tawny, Amber, and Beige. Lucent is a really bright shade that I have never touched before. This is Lucent. It's supposed to be a transparent powder, and yeah, I don't really use transparent powders to set. I like to use something with color, which brings us to Amber. Amber is my girl. Amber is my, she's fam, you know, she's family. So I'm going to be using Amber today to set my under eye, and Amber is yellow. I don't know if you guys can see, but it has like a really yellow consistency, and it also has some pigment to it. So that's why she came out with 4 shades, so you can choose your shade to set. It's not like it's going to show on yellow, but you know, just to give you a nice gradient. And I really love this powder. So how I work with it is I pour some on the cover. I pour some on the cover so I can pick it evenly, because I've noticed when I take it dipping straight from here, I really don't like it with any powder at all, not just the Beauty by AD powders. It is finely milled and it is so soft. Like, I was surprised. It is so soft. Like I'm just gonna set that now. When I told you it has color, it has color. So if you know you're dark skin and you want to like get away with it, it's best to just go with the shades that were created, right? Because they have, you know, pigment and all that. God, guys, look at how snatched my nose is. That's not the powder, that's the slim snatching my nose. So I'm just setting everywhere I, you know, concealed. I'm just setting it off. I'm never doing this in my life again. Never. I'm so trying to be so careful so like I don't spoil the brows or something, but what's the point? So next, using my brush, and I have poured some more amber into the cap of my products into the cap. I'm just going to use that and set my whole face. By the way, I'm using my Nivea Beauty brush, my favorite Nivea Beauty brushes. I live for these brushes, I tell you. So I'm just going to use it to set my whole face. And this is also how I've been setting my clients' faces as well. So I'm just gonna go touch up my brows some more and do a really light eyeshadow look, and you know, leave this baking for a bit, and I'll be right back. And of course, I'm gonna put on some lashes. So I'm back with some lashes, of course, some eyeshadow, and that blue liner that is from Urban Decay. It is popping. I'm just going to dust off the rest of my bake. I want to try and incorporate some of the other powders because there's only so much you can do with all these powders. I'm going to use Beige, which is a darker shade. This is the darkest shade she has, and I'm going to try to use that to contour my face. As you can see how dark the powder is. I'm just going to try and use that to contour my face and see what I can do with a loose powder. I'm just going to put a bit on the cover. I don't know why I have it lots like. Yeah, it's a setting powder, so it's not. You were saying, so it is bronzing me up quite nicely. I like it. It's a very subtle bronze up though. And my dad won't stop calling me. Okay, so lower lash mascara is done. Just a bit of glow, because I'm going to be reviewing a highlighter soon, so I don't want to put too much glow. I just want to go and do that video. So I want this face to really concentrate on the powders. We're going to go straight into the lip glosses. So she came out with 2 lip glosses, one really peachy one and one clear gloss, and they're in the names Gleam and Glint. Now we're gonna try and get them open if we can, please. They come tightly like sealed like this. I hate that. So real quick, I'm just going to line my lips with the Cock pencil. First, I'm going to go in with the Beauty by AD Gleam Gloss. That is the peachy one. peachy gloss goodness. The only downside to this product for me is the wand. The wand for me is a bit too stiff, like you have to dip back in a lot of times, but apart from that I have nothing. They are thick, they are nice, they are not so sticky. Look, I didn't have to put on the top. They are pigmented. To get the full glossy look, like gloss all over my lip look, like dripping in gloss look, I'm going to go in with the Glint, which is the clear one. I hate when I have to use the new ones and then they tone down. Oh. No. Dripping. So that's it for this demo, guys, because this is definitely not a review. Look, just look at me. Just look at me now. Look at God. Come. When I'm hyped about something, I'm feeling myself and I'm just like, well, you're saying it here. Let me bring you guys close. Let me bring you guys close. You see me? I see me in the monitor. Do you see me? So yeah, that concludes this video, guys. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Yes, sir.